Allow your body to sink into your mat. Let gravity take over. Close your eyes. Bring your attention to your breath. Make note of the gentle rhythm of that breath. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale through your nose. Inhale deeply and exhale. As you continue to breathe, allow the rhythm to slow down. Feel your diaphragm expand, sending energizing air throughout your body. Place your tongue on the roof of your mouth and allow your jaw and muscles of your face to completely relax. Continue to let go. You feel your arms sink, free of stress. A warm wave of relaxation flows through your body. Allow this wave to continue down your spine, spreading through your shoulders and back. Still continue to breathe deeply. This wave of relaxation continues through your legs, allowing you to completely let go, leaving your body totally at rest. Allow the natural forces of the earth to support you. As you remain still, continue to focus on the sound of your breath. Now bring your attention to any thoughts that may remain active in your mind. As you sit there watching these thoughts, acknowledge them, and now give yourself permission to leave these thoughts behind. Visualize yourself walking toward a door. Inhale and gently open the door. As you slowly walk through, exhale and close the door behind you. Now allow your mind, body, and emotions to let go. On the other side of this door, there is a comfortable silence. You begin to notice your surroundings. A beautiful aroma fills your nostrils. As your eyes focus, you notice the magnificent garden that is all around you. You begin to hear the wonderful sounds of nature. You feel life in this garden. There is a path by your feet. You begin to walk this path and continue to take in the spectacular sights around you. That wonderful rhythm of your breath echoes through your body. You notice a bench as you continue to walk. It's placed perfectly in this splendid garden. The comfort of this bench summons you. You walk toward it and sit down. It molds to your body. You feel safe and secure. Watch the internal magic that happens as you observe all the healthy systems of your body working. Feel grateful for all the health that you can see inside you. Enjoy that breath as it moves freely. Now, with your mind and body at rest, begin to look deeper inside yourself. You can see the glow of your spirit deep within. It begins to grow with your awareness. Your body is made up of powerful energy. Your energy is connected with all the natural forces around you. This energy allows the body to heal itself. You have the power to create this energy. Watch the glow of your spirit grow. It becomes brighter. Call upon your body's healing power. Watch as it grows. Navigate this healing energy as it moves through your body. Its presence can be in whatever form that is appropriate for you. It may be a visual force, a sound, a sensation, or a simple awareness that it is present. Your intuition, your spirit, is connected with this force. How does your body feel in its presence? As this healing energy continues to grow, open your heart and your mind and allow it to flow freely throughout your body. Embrace it with your breath and allow that air to move this healing energy throughout your body. As you watch it course through your body, make note if there are any specific areas that are suffering. Use your breath to move your healing force to that area. Watch the area illuminate. Feel the warmth and comfort of that healing process. Observe each cell as it rejuvenates itself. This healing light is replacing the dark of that area that once held trauma. Allow your entire body to be overwhelmed with this healing process. Enjoy this sense of health and well-being. Relish the power you possess in creating this experience. Using your intuition, your inner voice, your internal awareness, make a commitment that will allow this amazing healing process to continue as you move throughout your days. You take one last look at your surroundings and make a mental photograph of the remarkable beauty around you. As you walk away from the garden, you keep these feelings of well-being, optimism, joy, and peace. This serenity fills your mind and soul. Tell yourself this powerful healing energy will continue to move through you. Continuing to walk further away, you feel the grass tickle your feet. You begin to wiggle your fingers and toes. As you open your eyes, you feel relaxed and at ease. Take this opportunity to write any thoughts or experiences you may have had during the meditation. Recognize any agreements you've made with yourself. As you continue with your day, I wish you health, healing, and happiness.